Hi, this is Steve Weinreep, and I want to show you how easy it is to install the Color Looks Art Series 3D LUTs files into Premiere Pro. First, go to your Downloads folder after purchase and open up or extract the zip file. And in the zip file, you'll see a set of 3DL files. Use those for Photoshop is my recommendation. And look at the separate install video for Photoshop installation, but we're going to use the .cube files for Premiere Pro. What I'll do is simply right-click and choose Copy, and then go to my Applications folder. And to install them into Premiere Pro, I need to right-click on the Premiere Pro application and choose Show Package Contents. In the Contents folder, I'll scroll to the Lumetri folder, and in the Lumetri folder, there's a LUTs folder, and in there, the Creative folder, and that's where I want to install these. I'll back up one folder and just right-click on the Creative folder and choose Paste. And now I can launch Premiere Pro. And now in Premiere Pro, go to your Lumetri color panel. And in the Lumetri color panel, you'll see the Look menu. Go to the Look menu, you'll see the default looks that come with Premiere Pro, but you'll also see the Color Looks Art Series in the same list. And all you need to do is choose one of the color looks and apply that to your video. I encourage you to download the free comparison chart so that you have an idea of how the color looks will work for you in your video project or in your still imagery for Photoshop. Download the PDF from the link provided in the instructions and also on the Adobe Exchange website. And you can go through these to get an idea again of the different ways that these might apply to your images. But don't feel pigeonholed. Don't feel that you have to use a scenic color look on a scenic image. Some of these will work great with people as well. So experiment, try them out. You have lots here to work with, all derived from the color palettes of the artists.